Hello.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sumido, for that very wonderful introduction. I feel so honored to be introduced by my former mentor and my journalism coach way back high school. And it's good to be sharing the stage with you, ma'am. Ang katong secret natin dito sa RSPC Jansan, dako gito siya nga kantidad. Amo lang ginawa ba ko. So a pleasant morning to the father and the school principal of this institution, Dr. Escap M. Delna, school principal, secondary school principal 4, to the assistant principal for academics for senior high school, my former mentor and mathematics coach, Dr. Samsudin N. Abdullah, to the assistant principal for junior high school for academics, again my former mentor, Sir Jose T. Ibanez, to the student activities coordinator, my former mentor and my 4SF advisor, Ma'am Maribel Torreña, Ma'am. Of course, to the assistant principal for operations and learner support, Mr. Edgar Alan L. Aso, to the entire faculty and staff of my alma mater, the Esperanza National High School, the awardees, parents and guardians present here today, guests, and everyone present here today, once again, people of Esperanza, maayong adlaw sa inyo tanan! Doon nakulangan ko sa inyo energy. Good morning! Amo na basta taga ENHS, dapat hindi kita maguya-uya. Kay prestigious ni nga ito nga eskulahan. Agree ka mo hindi? Amo gid na. It feels surreal dumakatingala ko nga before, the parehas naman ko sa inyo dira nga the last time that I stood up here in front, in this exact same stage, was about 11 years ago when I delivered my valedictorian address for batch 2013. Dati, parehas ko sa inyo, diraman ko gapungko, gahulat, nga matawag ang pangalan ko kay excited kung lakat diri sa stage kay ma-receive sang award. Kay those awards and achievements ng mga medal nga suksok nyo subong, those are the fruits of your labor and your dedication to work hard and to strive to be the best version of yourself. So aton palakpakan natin mga sarili. Kaya ato na na-achieve ang muna nga mga achievements. Pero kani hambal nila, no man is an island. Wala ka mo diri kung wala sang bulig sang iban. Tama? So, let us take this opportunity to thank the people behind our success. First and foremost, let us give a big hand to the man up there, be it God, your Allah, or to whoever it is who put your trust on, for His guidance and mercy. Atong palakpakan. Yes. Secondly, kani sila, grabe ang ugtas nila sini sa inyo. Let us give words of thanks to our ever-supportive parents, our guardians, our relatives, nga nagtinabangay, nagbuliganay para mapa-eskwela ta diri sa high school. Pag high school, ang parents ko kay nakabase sa Jensen, kaya dito sila nag-aubra. So, dito ko nag-star sa akong uncle, the Honorable Counselor, Honorable Larry Acana. Tapos kadumdum ko sa to, mape, ito naman nga subject, may arat tugin pa himo si Ma'am Balascopo, abal niya, himuan nyo sanggaw ng inyong mga barbidal. Ti dati kung diri ka sa Esperanza, makabakal ka patela, dito ka malakat sa isulan. Di kay gabi ka na makauli, ang ginhimo ko na lang, wala gid kami nahimo, gingunting ko ang duster sa kakon auntie. Bagong bakal, ara pagit sa cellophane. Tapos ang akon man auntie, former principal and district supervisor, Ma'am Lucy Roderos, nagbulig pa siya sa una tahi sa akon nga punda para sa amon mape sa una. You see, tanan nga nagbulig pa eskwela sa aton, grabe gid ang paningkamot kag pag-antos para lang ara ta diri subong sa eskwelahan. Sometimes, we just see their monetary help nga, ay kwarta lang na, amo na, mangayo lang ta kwarta. Pero let us look beyond those and appreciate their love and support. Kaya ato na remember, kung wala sila, wala kita kundi ta subong. Tama? Bisan ari, tutuod gid ni. Bisan kisa ka mga bata, gaugot man kamo sa ila. Gaugot kamo sa ila wala. Diba? Gaugot man ta, pero let us not forget that they are our main support. Nga baskin magkainano ta diri sa kalibutan, our parents will always be our parents. Tama? So once again, let us give a round of applause to our parents and guardians. Third, kani, kaugtas man gyapon ni sila sa inyo. Let us applaud our mentors, the entire faculty and staff of Esperanza National High School. Kusgan nyo! Subong nga may grade ka mo, hindi na kamo magpalakpak sa ila. When Ma'am Palma, a good friend of mine, invited me to be the guest speaker of this event, I never had any second thoughts because ENHS has helped me to achieve great things. Just like you, dati ako, nagasalim ko sa mga competition, nakalakat-lakat ko sa ibang nga lugar, kag nakakilala ko sa damo nga tao. Ay, katong hambal Ma'am Sumido kaina, I even had a chance to compete for international research competition in Malaysia and even got an award. A gold award, of course, with the help of our research advisor that time, Mr. Harold Albior. Sir, kung ara ka dire, whom I am truly grateful. Kapasalamat gid ko for letting me be part of his research team. I was also a consistent math challenger, di ba sir? Kani si Sir Sam, coach ko man ni dati. And even won Mr. Math Wizard 2012. Bisan hindi gid para sa akon ang male pageantry. Gin-try ko gid ang best ko nga maglakat-lakat. Of course, ang upod ko pa dati, ang classmate ko, kagaron math teacher niyo na, ambot ko nga siya diri, Ma'am Abigail Marie Wong. Yes! Uy, ara ka gali lagi. Hi, Gail. And of course, ito nga Ma'am Sumido, journalists kami, kaabot kami sa DSPC and RSPC. So to the entire math department, to Dr. Annalisa Sumido, our school paper advisor, and to my mentors and other coaches, let me take this opportunity to thank you for letting me experience those things which I treasure up until now. Tapos, syempre, ari maagligid ni si Ma'am Abigail, si Sir Rodex nyo, nga hindi kinamon malimtan ang graded notebook ni Sir Samsudin and Abdullah. Pati ka mo, ang kada nga notebook, ma-stress ka pa kay ano naman i-color ko sini, ano na naman ang i-decide ko. Agree? Oh, pero, bisan na mo lang na, admit it, you are also learning. Tama? You are also learning kay ara ka gidra namin ito color mo, namin ito drawing mo. And I am so proud to say nga, hasta subong Sir Sam, buhay na buhay ang notebook ko. Magamit niyo na siya sa sunod sa college. All your achievements today, those medals and recognitions are because of the never-ending dedication of our teachers, who are the pillars of our future and serve as the second parents who feel our needs here in school. Let us not forget what they taught us. From the school lessons to, of course, life lessons nga nagagawas gid usually kung gaugtas sila sa aton. Mayaw-yawan ka pa pero okay lang yapon. Of course, let us not forget our classmates and friends who made our stay here memorable and bearable. Ma-remember ko pa, pag third year, ano si Ma'am Bundok diri? Ay, Ma'am! Na-remember ko pag itong ginpakulintas mo kami sang basura. Tapos, ginparampa-rampa, feel ko, ay, namin, okay lang, at least, garampa ka with recycled materials. Of course, kung may third year, may fourth year. Ready ka na ba, ma'am? Of course, kaya nga ba nga batch dati, uktas git sila kayo din, lagi kami manglimpyo. Kung si Ma'am Torenya ang advisor mo, marulupad din ang silhig kag ang basurahan. Pero dito kami naka-learn manglimpyo, kag hindi na siya pagpaugtason. So let us clap our hands to our friends, kay sila gid ang upod nyo for the entire 4 years. And lastly, kamo, to all of you achievers who are here, let us congratulate ourselves for a job well done. You truly deserve it. Palakpakan niyo ang sarili natin. Pero they say, if you're an achiever, an honor student, you have a guaranteed future. Pero based on my personal experience, I beg to disagree. Some might not realize that being an achiever puts too much pressure on us to a point where we fear failure and embarrassment. This generation pressures us nga dapat kung amo ka ni edad mo, amo ka na sini. I graduated top of my batch, and this did not exempt me from the trials of life. Taking up chemical engineering, one of the hardest programs, as they say, in the University of San Carlos in Cebu City, one of the top performing schools in chemical engineering, is a big risk. Hambal ba sang teacher namon, CHE is not a walk in a park. It is a walk in Jurassic Park. And it is indeed. Ay 5 years ang engineering. I finished mine in 7 long years. Nakaubrat ako sa to, sa 7 years nga to. I even became a working student, a research assistant. And imagine the pressure I had sa 2 years nga gin-extend ko. Dabutamo ko na batian, dabutamo na kabalsakon. Huy, valedictorian ka, di ba? Nga wala ka pa ka-graduate. Or like, uy, sige lang man ang inom-inom dito. Amo na nga, wala na ang kasulod sa iya klase. It hurts, actually, because they had no idea on how you struggled so hard, how you stayed up late to study, and wake up after short naps just to continue working. I reached a point where I had several breakdowns and no one was there to comfort me. But like it gali ko ma-experience mga amo sa to, na labi ko nga permi ara ko sa top. That I used to nail it all the time. And when I failed, dako gid ang lagpo kag sobrahan siya kasakit. So to everyone who always win on their younger years, so the world does not allow them to fail, always remember that you are allowed to mess up sometimes. That you are allowed to be rejected, to disappoint people. That you are allowed not to know what to do, to ask for help, to worry about the future, and to start all over again. You are not your best every day, and it's okay. I heard a story from my friend, hambal sa papa niya. Hoy, saan ka mag-graduate? Ang sabat sa classmate ko, nag-dali ka pa nga valedictorian gali namon, wala pa ka-graduate, ako pa kaya? Hambal niya. Siyempre, karon naka-graduate na to siya, midwife na to siya subong. Nakakadlaw lang ko, di alangan maano, ta kay amo naman itni. Dapat tumayo at muling lumaban. Pauna lang na sila, kay kong hambal gani isang bini, ang favorite girl group ko, sino mga blooms dire? Wow! Hambal sang bini, buhay ay di karera. Oh, diba? Saot ko di karon. Pag high school actually, anong kami nga magbarkata. Tapos, nag-college kami, no? Ang isa, nakamaestra na. Ang isa, ambot din na to siya, wala siya nagaparamdam sa amo. Ang isa, nag-stop, pero subong, administrative officer na. Ang isa, apat ito, no? Ang isa, kay nag-untat eskwela, kay para mag-working student. Kay siya ang nagapa-eskwela sa sarili niya. Ang isa, nakatapos 2-year aviation course, tapos nag-ubra siya sa pharmacy. Diba layo? Hindi siya related. Pero after years of working sa pharmacy, Nag-eskwela siya sa BS Pharmacy and is now a registered pharmacist. Imagine, hambal ko sa ila, day, kung nag-untat ta, day, wala ta diri subong kung diin ta. In my case, abi niyo tong 7 long years lang, o hindi pa to amo, hambal ni Lord, oy, may harap ako gin-prepare sa imo diri, damo pa. After sa to, syempre nag-defend ako sa thesis sang January 2020. Pagtapos ko defend, naba ko, mang lakat na kamo diri sa Cebu. Kaya amo na gini final, mag-graduate na gid ang bata nyo after 7 years. Dugay na nila ginhulat. Pag March 2020, ano natabo? Pandemic. Siyempre excited ka na mag-graduate ka na tani. Wala ko nakamarcha sa graduation. Ang akon nga board exam, katatlo na cancel. 3 times na cancel ang board exam. So nag-ubra na lang ko. While nag-prepare for the next exam, nag-ubra ko from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Abi nyo dito lang, wala pa natapos. Ang struggles ko, hambal ni Lord, wait, there's more. Ang struggles ko, after sa to, malakat na tali ko sa Cebu kay mag-take hambal sa flight. Canceled ang flight to Cebu. So nagbanito ko sa Davao, kaya dito na ko mag-take, nag-process ako. After sina, uy, wala pa natapos. May isa pa. Canceled ang swab test sa Jensen. So dito ako naglakad sa Tacorong. So ano ma-feel mo kung kapila ka na na-cancel sa kinabuhi? Wala na ko gana mag-study, nakapoy na ko, habal ko, Lord, abi ko para gid bala ni sa akon. Habal ko, hindi na ko Lord, pero ari naman gid ni, i-try ko na lang gid ning best ko nga makapasar. After the 3 days of exam nga makabuak, dugay pa ko nagulat sa result. Amo ko, Lord, grabe gid ang birabira mo sa akon nga score dira kay para makapasar ko. Dugay-dugay kita na siya nagwa. But later that night, I saw my name in the passer's list of 2021 Chemical Engineering Licensure Exam. Huy, nagpasalamat gid ko sa Ginoo. Kung ako, Lord, ako na gid ni malipay na gid sila pwede, na gid ko mag-imo kung ano gusto ko. Nakapasar na gid ko after sa tanan nga luha, sa tanan nga ka-stress, sa tanan nga ugtas. And what's the best thing is, the passing rate was 70%. And my average was 70.10%. Imagine, isa ko na lang kamali dito, ligwak, ganun na ko. Wala na ko, hindi na tani ko ma-retake na tani ko, pero I was so blessed. Hambal pa ni mamang sabon. Na, kung kabalo lang man gali ko nga amo ni kadugay ang imo nga college, tadi nag-doktor ka na lang. Sobra 7 years mo alangan. See, I wanna share this to you because I believe that there is no timeline in life. Di kung nag-untat ko, imagine, wala ko diri sa tubangan yung subong, di ba? Ara lang siguro ko to sa balay namo, nagsigi ka hinibi. Wala ko diri subong. I stand here today not only to inspire you to do better in life. Kay kabalo ko, bisan hindi pa ano gyapon ko mohimuon yung maning kamot, gid kamot tanan-tanan. Because we need to strive hard and do the best that we can for our family and for our dreams. But I'm also here to tell you that life is full of unexpected challenges, that life is not sweet, and we will feel down and defeated sometimes. And it's so normal. I am not telling you nga mag-chill lang kamo ha, nga hindi kamo maning kamot. Kaya not everyone can afford to fail. Hindi sila pwede mag-experiment sa ilang kinabuhi. Wala sila unlimited tries. Wala sila option B kung hindi magana ang ilang option A. So, please, please, please lang gid. Paningkamot ka mo and do the best that you can para mapadayo ng inyong pag-eskwela. Pero, please, I want to emphasize this, pero kung hindi kaya, when there are inevitable circumstances, kung wala na gid mahimo, wala na choice, maybe due to financial needs, always remember that it is not yet the end of everything. That we need to bounce back, and try all the means to get up and be better. We should not let our failures, sabay ina to. Let those failures be lessons para makasaka kamuliwat. And don't let them to define us and pull us to never get up. Let us always keep in mind that coal is subjected to immense pressure and temperature for it to become the world's most precious stone and the world's hardest mineral known, the diamond. So guys, shine bright like a diamond. And let us see these adversities as processes to make us better. Those slingshot lang na, kabalo ka mo sang slingshot? Ay, Darty, pako tirador lang na. Daw tirador lang na. Nga kung grabe ang butong sa inyo sang kinabuhi, mas layo ka mo sang maabtan. And always put in mind that nothing easy is ever worth it. I want you to say this because this has been my mantra for years. Delayed does not mean denied. Come on. Delayed does not mean denied. Again, delayed does not mean denied. Just trust the process. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Thank you so much. It's been an honor. And let's enjoy the rest of the day.